It's Shuki baby. Tap the blessing and subscribe.
For some reason, I thought just because I've not been posting on here, y'all would give up on me. But thank you so much, my YouTube fam. You've not given up on me because guess what? Right now, I'm gonna go to meet one of y'all that needs a market tour. Today, we are going to see different places and also eat some dumb sum. I'm so excited and I want to take you all along. The one thing I hate most is when one of you trusts me with taking them around the markets and then I'm late. Like, I try my best to make sure that I'm not late for my customers, but tell me why I underestimated the distance this time. Like, the customer is like 1 hour and 45 minutes away from me, and I just have like 30 minutes right now to the time that we agreed upon. I feel so terrible, but let's go. So I picked up my beloved client from the Courtyard by Marriott, and from there we had to go buy different things. One thing about me is that you reach out to me, book a schedule, and then we make an itinerary so that on your day of going through the markets or different days, we have a clear, organized itinerary. He needed some bags, men's clothes, and women's clothes, and on a high end. So we had to go through different places. Here we are at Bayonne Wholesale Market, and you know that is where you go when you need high-end bags.
But this is more like it though.
Yeah,
What kind is this? What brand is this?
it's a BYD.
Oh. But which make?
Well, now
I'm gonna buy two once they come into town.
listen, I'm gonna do myself a favor and wait for you different outlets for cars because I've gotten a lot of experience where you all come to me and then you're asking me, oh, can you take me to see the new Xiaomi car, or you take me to see the BYD? And I have no idea. So I'm gonna do myself a favor and learn for you all. I'm doing this for you guys. Just for you.
大漠孤雁多灵摇晃，星光下你眼眸藏着月光。
Headed to me because he needed high-end menswear. Sometimes you can book me when you're just gonna do your personal shopping, when you're done with the factory deals and you just wanna go around these places and eat nice meals, also beautiful places. Trust me, I'll be glad to take you around. Everything you do when you're here, negotiate, negotiate. We did a lot of work in the same day because tell me why we went through about 4 or 5 markets. But the good thing with me is that I know these places and we can easily maneuver. And where there is Didi, I mean, Oba, why not? So here we are at the UUS mall. And if you know, this is where you get high-end women clothes. There's so many beautiful clothes, trendy styles, and also high quality. You want to stand out, you want to give boss lady vibes. This is where you're coming to shop for yourself and for your brand. And if you want me to come and shop on your behalf, no worries, darling, because I can do it while you're on video call or just on a call, and just make sure you get exactly what you're looking for and exactly at the exact price as the supplier has given to us.
大漠孤雁多灵摇晃，星光下你眼眸藏着月光，沙丘起伏，风卷残阳。
I've had a lot of creators say that products from original brand stores are actually cheaper in China than they are in other parts of the world, like the US, Australia, etc. And so my lovely client was like, I'm gonna go and buy my favorite perfume and the things that I've always wanted to get from these brand stores. But somehow I don't even have time to get them when I'm back home in Canada. But here, let's go and check out this mall. And so that's how we ended up at Taikui Ho Mall. That's where you get all the high-end original brand stuff. I mean, you can send me to purchase on your behalf on a personal level and you'll be involved in the whole process.
夕阳西下，我为你唱首歌， 夏威夷的微风吹拂过你耳。
Listen, this was my first dim sum ever, and I'm afraid I'm not gonna stop taking this meal because tell me why every dish tasted different with a very nice taste, and the customer care in this place was very good. I just had a very fine evening after a very long day. I thought we were done, but then I tell you what, we have another final stop, so stick around. You know what? I love it when rich people decide that they are going to use their money to make their life comfortable because I thought we were done, and my customer was like, no, I've seen these sports gear and I would love to get them. The thing with me, as long as you're paying for my time, and this customer was very, very nice, you are going to do whatever you like, and I'm not going to rush you, even if you have extra hours. As long as you're willing to pay for my time, trust me, you're going to take your time to get the best things that you want to get here in China, and I'm going to take you to the best stores. Here we are at an outlet for Anta and Skechers. It was already night, but the most important thing to me was that my client gets satisfied and they get to grab everything that they needed to get from China. And this was our final purchase for the day. It was indeed a very happy day. For recap, we went to Bayonne Leather Market and then Hume International Market, then the UU West Market, and then finally here are the outlets of Enter and Skechers. Now, if you would love the same service from me, send me an email. If you watched till the end, I love you so much. Take care of yourself. See you in the next one.